Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to give you all some highlights of my bed and breakfast business plan template in about 3 minutes or less. So without further ado, hold on to your hats and let's zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. And first, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate. I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional business writer, so if you do need a professional business plan written, I'd be delighted to help. Just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. And also, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So I've got some education as well as real-world teaching experience backing up my thoughts and ideas behind my business plans. And with that said, if y'all need some financial projections done, business plan's good. Again, pick up the phone, call me, love to help. All right, enough of the infomercial. Let's get down to brass tacks here. So in my bed and breakfast business plan template, first you're going to get a table of contents, right? Hoot, hoot, hoot. Well, that's not the big deal about the table of contents. However, the table of contents is able to allow me to show y'all the different segments of the business plan template. So the template does include the executive summary, company description, industry research, organizational structure, marketing section, funding request, financial projections, and as well as a financial model. So that's pretty much the overview of the template. Next section that's important is going to be the executive summary. So when you do buy the bed and breakfast business plan template, executive summary is broken into the 4 categories: the summary of the company, target market, financial highlights, and the funding request. Anywhere in yellow, I do recommend you go ahead and review and make some changes if needed. And then also anything in parentheses, I do recommend you go ahead and put your information. Next section, industry research. That's a given. If you're going to write a bed and breakfast business plan, you definitely need some industry research, and it is included in my template. Next section, the funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? You got to be able to articulate how much money you need to start your bed and breakfast. I do give you a great starting point in my business plan template. Also, I do include a industry-specific customizable financial model in Excel. And so the way that it looks, it's on an information page. So what you do is you go to the information page on the Excel model. Anywhere in the darker colored cells, you're going to make those changes, input your information. It goes from daily sales to labor, startup costs, monthly fixed costs, tax rates, growth rates for your revenues, as well as costs, and then loan information. And I'll also do provide a tutorial for this. Mentioning a tutorial, I do provide instructional videos to use my Word document. So the business plan template does come with a Word document, and I've got a template on how to use the Word document here. And then it also comes with an Excel financial model, and also on the website to buy my bed and breakfast business plan template, it has a tutorial on how to use the Excel as well. All right, so it is a little bit longer than 3 minutes, but let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. So included in my business plan template does come with the Word document, comes with the financial model, as well as general business plan tutorials. You can go ahead and take a look at those before you buy, and it's at this link right here. And you do need, there are some restrictions to my template. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make some changes. And then finally, if you have any questions or comments or concerns about my business plan template, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. Just know that there is no free phone support after you buy the template. You want me to help you fill it out, be delighted to do so, but I do charge for the service. If you're interested in buying my business plan template for a bed and breakfast, you can find it at this link right here. You don't want to screw around with the bed and breakfast templates or tutorials. You just want a professional to do it for you. Right here is the link for my custom business plan prices. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money. Thank you.